Welcome to the Personal Growth Academy. In today's video, we'll be discussing the science of budgeting and how it can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Many people view budgeting as a tedious and intimidating task, but it's actually a simple and empowering process. Budgeting is just creating a plan for your money and includes setting financial goals, tracking your spending, and making adjustments to stay on track. So, how do you get started with budgeting? Here are some helpful tips. 1. Set financial goals. Having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish with your money will help you stay focused and motivated. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building your emergency fund, make sure you have specific and measurable goals. These goals should be smart, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. This will help you stay on track and reach your financial goals faster. For example, instead of simply saying, "I want to save more money," set a specific goal of, "I want to save $5,000 in my emergency fund within the next year." This goal is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. 2. Keep track of your spending. Knowing exactly where your money is going is crucial to budgeting success. You can do this by keeping a spending journal or using a budgeting app. This will help you identify any unnecessary expenses and find ways to cut back. By tracking your spending, you'll be able to see where you're overspending and make adjustments to your budget accordingly. You may also discover areas where you can save money, such as by cutting back on dining out or canceling subscriptions you no longer use. 3. Create a budget plan. Once you have an idea of your spending habits, it's time to make a budget plan. Calculate your income and subtract your fixed expenses, like rent and bills. Then, allocate the remaining money to your financial goals and discretionary spending. Be sure to include a cushion for unexpected expenses, as well as a little bit of fun money for yourself. Having a budget plan will help you stay on track and ensure that you're saving and spending wisely. 4. Follow your plan. Sticking to your budget plan will help you reach your financial goals. This may mean saying no to certain expenses or finding ways to save money. Don't be afraid to be disciplined with your spending, it's all for the greater good of achieving your financial goals. By following your budget plan, you'll be able to see progress towards your goals and feel a sense of accomplishment. 5. Review and adjust. Budgeting is an ongoing process, so make sure to review your budget regularly and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track and reach your financial goals. If you find that you're consistently overspending in certain areas, it may be time to reassess your budget and make some changes. Maybe you need to cut back on discretionary spending or find ways to increase your income. By reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly, you'll be able to stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Budgeting may seem intimidating at first, but with a little bit of effort and discipline, it can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about budgeting and other self-development topics, be sure to subscribe to the Personal Growth Academy. We'll be sharing more valuable tips and resources to help you grow and develop as an individual.